The global agriculture technology market is expected to reach $71.08 billion by 2032, and in this growing field, AI is quietly transforming farming from soil to supply chain. Already, precision agriculture tools are being adopted by farms of all sizes, not as a cool gadget, but as a lifeline to survive volatile weather, rising costs, and global food demand. It's about farming smarter, faster, and more sustainably. Let's break it down. It starts in the soil. AI-powered sensors now read moisture levels, nutrient balance, and temperature in real time. Instead of waiting for crop stress to show, farmers can take action before damage occurs. That's healthier crops with fewer inputs. Then comes monitoring. High-resolution drones and satellite imagery, combined with machine learning, scan entire fields for early signs of disease, pest activity, and yield variations, all invisible to the naked eye. The guesswork is gone. Harvest planning, once a mix of instinct and tradition, is now data-driven. Predictive models forecast yield down to the acre, helping farmers optimize labor, storage, and market timing. Decisions that once took days now happen in seconds. AI-driven irrigation schedules save millions of gallons of water each year. Fertilizer use is cut without sacrificing yield. Carbon footprints shrink while profitability grows. One Agritech startup in Kenya increased maize yields by 18%, while cutting water usage by 40% using AI-guided irrigation and pest control. This shift opens up enormous opportunities. Farmers can produce more with fewer resources. Exporters can hit quality targets consistently. Investors can back scalable, climate-resilient solutions. And this is where we can help. We partner with agri-tech innovators and farming cooperatives to design and deploy AI systems that improve efficiency from seed to sale. From intelligent soil analytics to predictive crop health, our goal is to help you grow more with less and with precision. If your team is ready to future-proof your farming operations, visit Intellivon.com. Let's cultivate the next generation of agriculture together. Thanks for watching. If this gave you a new perspective on AI and farming, drop a comment. We'd love to hear how you see technology shaping the future of food.